Hello friends, this is Sam. So today what we are going to talk about, we will see what is exactly the application architecture in Lightning. We know that Lightning and Classic, they are different on architectural front. We know that Classic supports page-based architecture. So VF pages and Apex code is there. Lightning supports component-based architecture and you can develop SPAs in Lightning. SPAs, what do you mean by that? Single page application. So whenever we say we are developing single page application in Lightning, how is the exact architecture of this single page application? Let us deep dive into that. Now this left hand side, you can see page based architecture. So if you have a look, there will be client, and on client I will have VF page. We will have VF page on client, and on server there will be controller. This will be Apex controller will be there on the server side, and that Apex controller will be having access to database. So all the objects, records that will be stored in database. So how the flow will happen in the classic base flavor? So user will interact with the VF page. VF page in turn will contact server base controller, which would be contacting database. So that's how page based architecture works. Now how SPA architecture works. So here also I will have server and client. Now have a look at the client side. What exactly I do have? I just have HTML code. Just like classic base version, we will have HTML code in this also. So HTML code will be there, but at a client side we will have controller also, right? So this will be JavaScript which will be implementing some business logic. Some JavaScript code will be there and that will be executed at the client side. So remember that in single page application, lot of work happen at client side. So at client side, this JavaScript controller will be there. And to achieve reusability, some JavaScript code will be in form of helper. So that controller will be invoking helpers. And this controller and helper will actually invoking server side controller. So this is also controller which is server side controller. So this is Apex controller which is there at server side, which in turn is actually accessing the database. So database will be containing objects and records and everything, and this server side controller will be having access to that server side database. So if you deep dive into SPA architecture which is implemented in Lightning, so at client side what we have is we just have controller, helper and HTML code which is nothing but view. Okay, and at server side we will have a separate controller and database will be there at the server side. So if you look at the left hand side architecture, it is typical traditional MVC architecture, model view controller. So database is nothing but model, then whatever HTML you have at the client side, that is nothing but view, and whatever controller you have at the server side, that is nothing but this C. So MVC architecture. But if you look at SPA application, the architecture in Lightning will be different. It is not MVC really, it will be MCCV architecture. MCCV. What is that MCCV architecture? M stands for model. So model will be there. This is M. Then this controller will be there. These controllers will be there. So that is CC architecture. And this is view basically. So view is there. So it is MCCV architecture. Remember that. Okay. So that's how the architecture of SPA kind of applications will be there in Lightning. I hope you understood that and enjoyed that. Thanks for watching this session, friends. See you in the next session. Thank you.